Nollywood actor Mike Ezooni unfortunately lost his father 2 years and since then has been the man who takes care of and protects the family. The popular actor was called upon to walk her sister Chuka down the aisle this past weekend. In a quote, he said, "As her father present, I lead my own sister Chuka to marital bliss. HML as I would slightly miss her witty and lovely self. God bless you dear sis. Amen."